Am I the only one that didn't know health tech could be this cool? Let's dive into the game changers coming by 2026. Imagine having a medicine cabinet tailored just for you. Personalized medicine is using your DNA to craft treatments that work best for your body. Say goodbye to one size fits all. And those smartwatches? They're not just for counting steps anymore. By 2026, they'll monitor your heart, detect irregularities, and even predict health issues before they happen. Need to see a doctor? Grab your phone. Telemedicine is making healthcare more accessible than ever, with virtual consultations at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. AI diagnostics are stepping in to help doctors catch diseases early and recommend the best treatments. It's like having a supercomputer for a second opinion. And the biotech breakthroughs? Think gene editing, regenerative medicine, and bioengineering, all working to cure diseases and repair tissues like never before. 2026 isn't far off. Are you ready for a healthier, tech-savvy future? Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more.